What's good, y'all? I'm back here with another freaking video. Happy July 3rd. Okay, because I am gonna be lazy as hell on the 4th. So right now, me and my guy Lavelle are grilling today, okay? And listen, bruh, it's looking meaty and mighty good. Look at that. Hold on, let me show y'all the close-up on them ribs and them burgers and them broths, okay? Oh, and then don't forget that New York strip steak, okay? Now listen, yeah, please, yeah, it look good. It look good. That steak looking real good. I like my stuff well done. So just remember that, okay? If you are new, subscribe, like, share. We only going up. Don't mind my hair. I don't really care. It's still only 12:43. So I'm gonna get ready, but I just wanted to make sure we get this done. And we got a nice little hookah set up out here. Yes, sir. Ooh, it's just juicy, glistening. Yes, sir. Chef Bell out here, boy. You already know. Listen, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, subscribe to him on his IG. Follow him back, okay? If y'all need, he will come to your house and grill for you. Well, we just cool, so we did it together. But I'm just saying, he might. He charged really good prices. Just letting y'all know that now. All right, so it's all good. But listen, comment down below. Tell me, what are y'all doing today? Are y'all grilling today? Are y'all waiting the day of or whatnot? All I want to know is what y'all doing. Like today, now I'm about to actually go over to my neighbor's house real quick because they grilling too, and I want to see what they got. They said they got some Angus burgers. And if they got some Angus burgers, I'm definitely sharing. Oh yeah, she got the car out. What's good, y'all? Yes, sir. You mean? Okay. Don't do that. Say hello. Oh, she gonna be real. It's all good. It's all good. What's up? You got his hair grew. His hair grew. Yeah. Don't do that. I'm trying to give you a compliment. It's all good. Hi, grandbaby. Yeah. No. So rude. So rude. Your car's still upstairs in my room. Ooh. Ooh, I can't even see, bro. Ooh, I can't see y'all. But it's all good. Yeah.
What time you coming?
I gotta work at 2 o'clock. I gotta work at 2 o'clock. At night? No.
Don't say. Yeah, go ahead. Don't say something. What's your IG? Shout out your IG.
No.
Yes.
After they was.
You ready to blow something up tomorrow?
Yes.
All right, big bad. We got the fresh horses.
Our shut down during daytime.
Yeah, y'all gotta go in 11.
Ooh. That's why he said he got it. He said he wanted 11:30.
Y'all funny.
Hello, boy. He don't like
Look at his hair, y'all. Look at his hair. And his kicks is fresh. His kicks is fresh. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned for the final result of everything. Alright. Love you. Yo, so update. Look at that. That steak. Them bratwursts looking real meaty. Should we cut them a little bit? Cut them open? Just so they can get it, or they good? You said what?
Not yet. This burger about done.
Okay. No, listen, it's okay to have a little black too, alright? Remember that.
Like that.
Exactly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that look like a good burger.
These two need one.
Yeah, that's true. Ooh. Look at it. Yes, sir. All right, guys. This is the moment y'all been waiting. It is finally done. Now, it's not much, but we have a small family that I wanted to show y'all the aftermath. Y'all not ready for this. Ooh. Look at that steak. Hold on, let me move something around for y'all. We got the ribs right here. Boy. Look at this. Got the ribs I'm moving. Got dry slab of ribs. There's two of them here. We got the burgers. We got the Bronx right there. And then this is my baby right here. The New York strip steak, well done and cooked. Oh my God. Hallelujah. Now listen, ask about me. Tell them what I just did. Okay, I can cook on that grill. Okay, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Listen, this has been a great vlog. This is probably gonna go into the 4th since it's a small video, but stay tuned. Okay, your boy out here cooking on that grill. Y'all subscribe.